Orchestra Planner is the perfect solution for a busy orchestra teacher who is looking to tighten up their planning. The planner comes as a PDF download and contains over 90 different templates, planning pages, and sections. Here, I've printed the sections that suited me and got them ring-bound at the local office store. It might even be easier and more practical to simply print off the pages you like and add them to your favorite ring binder. One of my favorite sections is the seating chart, where I can keep track of where my students are positioned in my ensemble. The sections pages help me to keep note of student names and which part they seem most comfortable playing. The repertoire plan helps me to organize which pieces I'll be using for the year ahead and ensures that I have thought about how my students might develop their playing throughout the year. There are sections for concert planning, including a comprehensive checklist, and budgeting and field trip sections too. I've chosen to include weekly planning pages in my planner. This helps me to reflect after each rehearsal and keep track of progress across the term or year. So grab your orchestra planner today.